How to fix YouTube comments not showing on iPhone. Can't see YouTube comments on videos. Let's find out why and bring them back. Some videos have comments disabled by the creator or YouTube. Try checking another video. Log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your feed and settings. Use YouTube's incognito mode to check if extensions or cache settings are blocking comments. You should now see the full comment section as expected. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.